Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Avalanche from Uphold to Kraken in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between exchanges. Avalanche is a fast-growing cryptocurrency, and getting it from Uphold to Kraken can help you diversify your portfolio or take advantage of better trading options. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so even if you're new to this, you'll be set in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Uphold and Kraken, and that your Avalanche is sitting in your Uphold wallet. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your Avalanche balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal or send option. Look for something like send or withdraw crypto. Next, you'll need the Kraken deposit address. Head over to Kraken by opening a new tab and logging in. Go to the deposit section, select Avalanche, AVAX, from the list, and generate or copy your unique deposit address. This is crucial. Double check that you're using the correct network, like the Avalanche C chain, to avoid any issues. Now, back in Uphold, paste that Kraken address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Avalanche you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully, amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. After that, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Kraken account for the deposit to show up. If it doesn't arrive, check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer like Avalanche's official site. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to stay secure. Be aware of any transfer fees, which can vary, and never share your private keys. If you're unsure, reach out to Uphold or Kraken support. That's it for this guide. You've just mastered transferring Avalanche. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.